Struggling to make real progress with your weight loss? There's a reason why only 10% of people succeed in the long term. Most people fall into the trap of chasing weight loss hacks, diet pills, boot camps, and other quick fix promises. The truth is, they rarely work. So what does? The perfect solution gives you 3 essential things. 1, a diet that works and is easy to stick to. 2, a workout routine you enjoy and can do regularly. 3, a frictionless way to track your progress that celebrates every milestone along the way. But here's the problem. Most solutions on the market depend on your motivation being strong from start to finish. They also come with high monthly fees or repeat payments that quickly add up over time. When your motivation dips, as it inevitably will, it's easy to cancel those subscriptions, stop paying for fitness classes, and abandon the process altogether. Then getting back on track feels like a huge hurdle, especially when it means paying for everything all over again. What if you had a tool that covered all areas of weight loss, without subscription fees? A tool that lasts from day 1 until you reach your weight loss goal. And I believe I've created that tool using the power of Notion. It's already helped hundreds of people achieve faster, more sustainable weight loss. Let me show you why it works so well. We begin by setting our weight loss goal. This creates a specific target and deadline to achieve, helping us stay committed and accountable even when motivation naturally fluctuates. Using the weekly target allows us to break down a large weight loss goal into smaller, more actionable steps. This approach helps us establish clear targets and milestones across both our diet and fitness plans. Starting with diet, the app calculates your daily calorie and deficit target for you. We can then create meals using the database of ingredients, and the app calculates the total calories and nutritional values. This gives us a clear understanding of what we need to eat or avoid to meet our daily calorie target. To help us stick to our diet, we can create a weekly meal plan. By simply inputting our meals for each day, the app displays the total daily calories and macronutrient amounts. It also makes us more mindful of our grocery choices. We can add items to our shopping list and easily check them off using the free mobile app. A targeted meal plan, along with an organized shopping list, is one of the best ways to stay consistent and committed to our diet. Another standout feature of the app is its capability to track your daily calories and nutrition. You can easily log your meals or input calorie amounts manually. If you exceed your daily calorie target, the app will notify you, reminding you to be more mindful tomorrow. Over time, tracking your calories in this way helps you naturally understand portion sizes and food choices that align with your diet and calorie targets, even without needing to log everything. Now that we've set up a diet plan that's both effective and easy to follow, let's talk about fitness. A good workout routine not only helps you stay active, but also accelerates your weight loss. Let me show you how the app helps you build a routine you'll actually enjoy. It provides over 40 workouts across various exercise types, durations, and difficulty levels, with options for both at-home and gym-based exercises. It also includes challenges that gradually increase your fitness levels and help you test your limits. Using the mobile view, you can easily access, complete, and track your workouts. Now that we've covered diet and fitness planning, let's quickly talk about how the app makes it effortless to track and celebrate your progress, keeping you motivated and on course for success. You'll receive detailed stats that track your progress and consistency with customizable habits. These insights will help encourage you to make healthier choices every day, bringing you closer to reaching your weight loss goal. By combining diet, fitness, and progress tracking, you're giving yourself the best shot at becoming part of the 10% who achieve long-term weight loss success. If you're new to Notion, don't worry. It only takes minutes to set up a free account. I've also included a detailed walkthrough guide that explains every feature and page so you can start making progress from day 1. Ready to begin? Follow the link in the description to start now. Thanks for watching.